Story Emporium. Welcome back! Let's create some more stories. Choose different parts for your story and see how the endings change. Tap anywhere to start. Choose the story you'd like to create. Making mud pies. Can you help Zeke and Louisa make a perfect mud pie? Making mud pies. There are 3 choices to make for our story. First, choose where your story takes place. Tap or drag a place to add it to your story. Outside the wombat's house. Choose who is in your story. Sammy, choose what they do in your story. How much water will they add to the mud pie? Add 2 cups of water. When you're ready to read your story and see what happens, tap the check mark. If you want to change any parts of your story, tap the blue arrows. Tap the green play button to start reading. Making mud pies. Outside the wombat's house, Zeke and Louisa were making a perfect mud pie. They said, "It can't be too wet and it can't be too dry." Then along came Sammy, who wanted to join in the fun. "Can I have a mud pie? I'll trade some stickers for one." 1 cup of dirt and 2 cups of water is what I prefer. So they added 2 cups of water and they started to stir. "Is it the perfect mud pie?" asked Louisa. Zeke said, "Pick it up and let's do a test." "Wow," they all said. "This mud pie is the best." Now we know how to make the perfect mud pie. With 2 cups of water, it's not too wet and not too dry. The end. I loved that story. You found a different way to create your story. What else could you change?